Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we have some banana muffins for you. Super healthy, and we also added some oats to it. We know oats is very good for the heart because it contains magnesium. Come with me as we make this. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. There will also be another link in the description box for other videos like this. Thank you. So for healthy banana muffins, we'll be needing some whole wheat flour, some oat flour. I can easily blend your own oats at home to give you oat flour. That's the old-fashioned oats we have right there. You just give it a quick blend and you get your oat flour. You can also use the ordinary oats or the white oats. We have of course some mashed bananas. Usually I use about 3 or 4 to give me the quantity I want. So what you do is you just peel off your banana and use a fork to mash it to give you that pulp. We need some milk. You can use just plain milk or you can use coconut milk. We need some vanilla extract, some coconut oil, or you can use any neutral tasting vegetable oil. We need some eggs, honey, freshly squeezed lemon juice, salt, baking soda, and some cinnamon powder. So right now we'll go about combining our ingredients. It's actually very quick and easy to make. You don't need a mixer in any way for this recipe. You just need a good whisk. So we'll go about combining our ingredients now. The eggs go in and I'm going to give it a good whisk. The milk goes in. The whisk to combine. Coconut oil or any neutral flavored oil. Honey. Mashed bananas. About a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the last liquid ingredient we'll be adding is the lemon juice. I'm going to give it a good whisk. I'm going to set this aside, and we need another bowl to combine our dry ingredients. The whole wheat flour goes in, the oat flour go in. If you can't find oat flour, you can use whole wheat flour all through. And then we have the baking soda, cinnamon, and the salt. They all go in at once. So I'm going to use the same whisk to bring all the dry ingredients together. So we have our dry ingredients combined, and now we are returning our wet ingredients. I'll give it a quick whisk again, then I'll start incorporating the dry ingredients. So I'm going to put in the first batch of flour, and I will give this a really good whisk. And then the second and the last batch of flour mixture goes in. So I already prepared a muffin pan, so once my batter is ready, I'm going to turn in the batter onto the muffin pan. And you can see how easy it is to bring the batter together. So that's our prepared muffin pan. I already placed cupcake liners on it, so I'm going to start filling it up now. So we have all the batter ready in the muffin pan, and I'm going to be placing it in the oven now at 175 degrees for about 15 to 25 minutes. So I just got the muffins out of the oven now, and you can see how beautiful it looks. I'm going to cut into one so that we can see what it looks like inside. So you can see how moist and how soft it looks inside. That's what the texture looks like. It's truly delicious and really healthy in every way. Very minimal amount of sweetener. The bananas are the main sweetener in this recipe, and the good thing is that we have things like cinnamon added to it. We all know the benefits of cinnamon. I'll be leaving a link below for other recipes like this. Thank you.